Hello guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye makeup look, which was so easy to do. I'm not really sure why I don't wear this look more often, because it's so easy, so quick to do. So if you like this look, I would definitely recommend to try it out once, because I think you will be surprised by how easy it is. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and of course, like always, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. What's new? I'm using this in every video. And now I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow guard, which I will link down in the description bar where you can get them. I get this question really often. If you don't have them, you can also use some sticky tape, which will work the same. So now I'm taking this palette from OPV Beauty, which is called the Spotlight palette. And I'm taking this pinkish kind of color and I'm gonna blend this along the lash line. And this is where the sticky tape or shadow shield, whatever you're using, comes in really handy, because you can just blend it along the shadow shield or the sticky tape, and this will make it so easy to create that sharp edge, but still kind of make it look blended out. If you would do this without a sticky tape or a shadow shield, you kind of have to guess where you want the blend to be. At the end, you will have to clean it up with some concealer. So this way it's so much easier, and yeah, I will definitely recommend to try it out. Just use some regular sticky tape and you will see how easy it is. So the brush that I'm using right now is by Morphe, and it's a Morphe M506, which is also like the perfect brush. It's like a really tiny blending brush. Now I'm switching to a different eyeshadow color, which is a black shade, and I'm gonna use this to darken it up. So I'm not gonna apply it all the way on top of the pink that we just applied. I'm gonna keep it a little bit lower. And to create like a really nice blended effect, you wanna, after this, apply a color which is lighter than the black, but darker than the pink we just used. If you blend that shade in between those two, you will get like the really nice gradient that everything kind of melts over into each other. So that's why I went in with this reddish color, blending it around the edges of the pink and the black. And this way everything will kind of melt into each other. So yeah, I really hope that's a nice tip, and hopefully that will make it more easier for you guys to understand. So now I'm taking some gel eyeliner. I'm taking the Maybelline gel eyeliner, which is one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners. It's so cheap, it's so nice. Even if you forget to close like the jar, it will not dry out, which I really appreciate, because I'm the type of person that forgets to close it. But that's no problem with this gel eyeliner, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna use this to make the black look even more dark, because I feel like compared to like eyeshadow, a gel eyeliner will always be more black. So I just wanted to use that. This is totally optional. If you're happy with how it's looking, you can definitely keep it that way. But I just wanted to add a little bit of gel eyeliner just in case. So now I'm removing the shadow shield, and you can see how sharp the edge is. It's already looking so nice, and we only did a few steps. So now I'm taking a black pencil. I'm using the Inglot Kohl pencil in the color black, which is a really nice pencil. A nice dupe for this is the Berry M. I'm not really sure what the name is. I believe it's called the Bold Waterproof Pencil. Mine is so tiny that I can't use it anymore, but I'm definitely gonna get a new one. But that's like a nice, more affordable alternative. So now I'm taking the black eyeshadow again, and I'm gonna use it now for underneath the lower lash line to make it more smoked out. And to blend out the black, I'm taking this color, which is called Deep Plug. And I'm taking a really tiny blending brush and just blending it along the lash line. I also took a little bit of that pink, which I used as the first color to create like the smoked out wing, to blend it out even more. I'm not showing it in the video. I'm not really sure why I'm not showing it, but I think I forgot to press the record button or something. But that's what I also used. So now I'm taking this pencil from NYX, which is called the That's the Point eyeliner. It has like a really tiny point, which is really nice, because I wanted to create like a really tiny pointy inner corner. And since this pencil is so precise, this was like the perfect pencil, because you can create like a really crisp tiny line with it. So now for my mascara, I'm taking the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics, my current favorite mascara. It's so nice, absolutely love it, because it makes my lower lashes like really long, which looks so nice in photographs. And then for my fake eyelashes, I'm gonna use this style from Velour Lashes in the style What the Fluff. Really beautiful, really fluffy, as you can see. I'm applying this above the lash line. And then here you have the finished result. I think the lashes look absolutely perfect with today's makeup look. And yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!